I know, the lock's different, isn't it? The little thumb thing.
This is cool.
Yeah, look at this. Looking amazing. Look at this shit. Up on roof.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So Mach E X Mustang SUV, we're going for a little ride.
This guy, get out here.
Let's see what the... Sounds cool.
80 miles an hour right there.
It sounds cool.
Yeah, it's different. And it's got 3 modes. I haven't figured it out yet. One is like quiet, one is like sport, and one is something else.
Yeah. No, this thing's cool. I mean, for an SUV, a family, you know, I mean...
Yeah, and it started, this one's 50. So we got another one.
Isn't for you. Guys, look at that back seat. 0 to 60. I don't know, we'll look up the specs, but, you know what I'm saying, ain't it for